Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Wamboi and this is my listing. Today I'm taking you through a beautiful apartment in Ruaka. This is a 3-bedroom master ensuite with a separate SQ. I am in love. The minute you walk into this house, you are greeted by amazing light and the coziness. You get beautiful views of the whole area. The greenery is just breathtaking. You can be able to have your own small lounge at the balcony while enjoying the beautiful greenery and the views. The separate dining area is just beautiful and very thoughtful. The spacious dining area is able to accommodate a 6-seater comfortably. I mean, you can see the shelves that you have for extra storage. You can see the small table that you can be able to convert as your home office. As we walk into the kitchen, you are able to experience the beautiful tiles and how warm they make the house feel. Getting straight into the kitchen, the working tops, amazing. The space, the cabinets, and the lighting in general. You are able to experience the good space of the laundry space and the sufficiency of lighting in this room. Heading to the bedrooms. As I mentioned, this is a 3-bedroom master ensuite, so we start with the 3rd bedroom. The good space with enough space in the wardrobes. Head into the washrooms, you can see the perfect and very detailed finishes of the showers and the sinks and the toilet seat. Just amazing. I am in love and I feel that you are in love as I am. You get to have 4 washrooms in this house. One is for the guest, where your guest will be able to enjoy their privacy as they are using it. The second washroom is shared for the 2 bedrooms. And the other 2 washrooms are for the master bedroom and the SQ. Getting to the main bedroom. The space, the light, the big windows giving you good lighting and coziness at the same time. The good space in the wardrobes, heading to the washrooms, just beautiful and exquisite. the SQ with a private entrance. I mean, oh my god. And even better, it comes in suites. Get a 200-liter solar-powered boiler that you can be able to control right in your house. You are assured of your security, starting with the guards at the entrance, the electric fence, the biometric access to the apartments and the units, and the CCTVs in every floor and at the parking area. We have 2 levels of parking, and each house gets to have 2 slots well marked for your convenience. There is a spacious elevator serving each floor, and the beautiful and spiral staircase with good lighting and good aeration while you are walking to your house. Some of the common amenities that we have is the gym for your health and fitness, and a common lounge where you can be able to host your guests or have parties at the rooftop. Do you confirm what I told you? Pure coziness, pure beauty, and just pure love. I am already in love with this apartment. If you are also in love as I am, please reach us out on 0713 133 003. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. Like this video and remember to leave a comment below. Bye bye.